Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, I'll be talking all about Paychex, which is one of the leading payroll service providers in the industry, and what features that they offer. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you're interested in Paychex, you'll find links in the description down below. And if I do find any discounts, I'll make sure to include them in the description as well. Now, Paychex is a leading provider of payroll, human services, and benefits outsourcing services for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a wide range of payroll features and benefits that can help simplify payroll processing. First, Paychex offers a comprehensive payroll processing service that includes everything from processing payroll checks to handling tax filings and payments, which means you can rest easy knowing that your employees are getting paid accurately and on time, and that your payroll taxes are being handled correctly. So one of the key benefits of using Paychex is their online payroll system, which is easy to use and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. You can quickly and easily process payroll, view reports, and manage employee information all from a single centralized platform. Another important feature of Paychex is their tax compliance service. Payroll taxes can be complex and confusing, but Paychex takes care of all the details for you, ensuring that your business's taxes are filed properly. They also offer tax notices, support, and resolution services. So if you do receive a tax notice, you can rest assured that Paychex has got your back. Now, Paychex offers a range of features and benefits in addition to payroll processing and tax compliance. These include time and attendance tracking, which allows businesses to track employee schedules and ensures accurate payroll processing. Also, they offer HR support services such as employee onboarding, benefits administration, and HR compliance assistance. Businesses can also manage their workers' compensation insurance with Paychex, ensuring that they have all the coverage they need to protect their employees and their business. And lastly, Paychex offers retirement plan administration services, including 401k plans, making it easy for businesses to offer retirement benefits to their employees. All in all, Paychex offers a wide range of payroll and HR services, including payroll processing, tax compliance, time and attendance tracking, benefits administration, workers' compensation insurance, and retirement plan administration. Their services are designed to help businesses simplify their HR processes and reduce administrative burden. And so, if you're looking for a reliable and trusted payroll service provider, Paychex is definitely your go-to option. So that's going to be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Paychex, you'll find links to pricing and discounts if I happen to find any, as well as an in-depth review in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you guys have any questions. I love getting to interact with you. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.